We're exploring careers in arts, communication, and AV. Now, whether it's our phones, internet, TV, we all want it newer, better, faster, right? You wouldn't think of Western Nebraska as a place that's pushing technology forward, but right here in Imperial, there's a company that's bringing newer, better, faster communication right to your doorstep. It's called Allo. This is Nick, senior engineer and Imperial native. He's going to walk us through a tour of the different careers you're going to find at Allo. Let's start with what you do.
Yeah, so what I do, I'm senior engineer, as you said, here at Allo. My job is really design on the network side of things. So the hardware that we put in, how do we connect those customers to our service?
And you're really spreading things out all over Nebraska.
We are. We started out way back in 2003, building Scottsbluff, Nebraska, and we're now at the other end of the state at Lincoln.
You're welcome, Scottsbluff.
Yeah.
And a lot of your job involves solving problems.
Very much so. So my job and the people that I work with, from our outside plant engineers, saying how are we going to get fiber into the ground or on a pole? How do we get service to these customers, to these places? How do we connect to the rest of Nebraska? As well as kind of what we're trying to solve and what equipment are we putting in to do that.
So if someone wants to work in your field, networking and engineering, what do they need to do?
Yeah, so a lot of our guys really to get started in associate's or bachelor's degree in a computer network field or computer engineering field is generally what we look for. Cisco certifications, things like that can help as well, but yeah, that's kind of where you go.
So your company needs people who are going to interact with your customers. Tell us about that.
Very much so. We have customer service, and that can be people that are on the phones, as we have here in Imperial, or people in our front offices, like in Scottsbluff, North Platte, Ogallala, and those kinds of places. From taking payments of bills, ordering services, general questions and things like that, to technical support people who are helping, connect TVs to set-top boxes and fix computers that may not be getting the speeds they want or can't connect at all to the internet.
And this is less degree, more attitude.
Very much so. A lot of positive attitude, smile on the phone, make it a good interaction for the customer, be hassle-free and exceptional like we want.
There you go. And there are also people working out in the field.
Yes, we do have people out in the field from our outside plant people who are actually putting that fiber into the ground, splicing that fiber together and making it talk. As well as installation technicians who go out to a customer's home and put the equipment in, make sure it all works together, and answer all of the customer's questions at the time of install.
And that one you can work right out of high school as well.
Yeah, very much so. Right out of high school, you can jump right into the workforce and kind of learn as you go. And there's a good job path and growth path from that.
There you go. And you don't have to be tied to a desk.
Exactly.
Well, Nick, thank you so much.
Thank
really
you.
appreciate it. That's Allo. They're keeping Nebraska wired in.